Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming a FabFitFun unboxing video. This is the first box that I've ever gotten. My mom literally told me like last week that she ordered me one, and I was like, that's so sweet. Because I honestly, and I don't think she even knew this, but I watch unboxing videos of these FabFitFun boxes all the time. There was one time where I watched one and it had like a starry like eye mask in it, and since I wasn't subscribed to the box, I literally went and bought it off of like the website for $40. So yeah. Ooh, I swear to God, every video I burp, like something comes up through my throat. I don't know. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a subscription box service. I'm pretty sure it is like seasonal, so you get one for like spring, summer, winter, fall. I really like this box. I've already opened it because my mom wanted to see what was in it, but I haven't like unpackaged all of the stuff yet, so we're just gonna be going through it today. I hope you guys enjoy. This is not sponsored, also I don't have enough subscribers for that, but I wish it was. Let's get started. The box is really cute. It has a whole bunch of like cacti on it. It's massive, like it's bigger than my head. Thumbnail. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to like do like a little montage in this video because the box is huge and it's so cute and I want to show you everything. So the first thing is on top, and it's a FabFitFun magazine. This kind of just like tells you what's in the box, how much it's worth, all this kind of stuff, and it's honestly insane because the entire total box value is like $300, $200, and you only pay like $50 for everything, and they're full-size products. Like, it's amazing. The first thing I have is probably something that I'm gonna give to my mom because I can't use these, or I could use them, but I probably won't. They're little measuring spoons. I literally had to look at the name to remember what these were called, but let's ignore that. And yeah, I'm just gonna give these to my mom because I don't have a use for them. I don't cook ever. They're like copper. They're pretty nice, honestly. So they're originally $15, and they're perfect for baking and cooking. That's what the magazine says. It's really cool, and won't use them, but someone else will. All right, next item is Show Me Your Moo. It's a robe. I think the name is kind of funny because if you didn't know, my nickname is Moo. My mom gave that to me when I was a youngin', and this robe is literally originally $84. Like, this is an expensive robe. This is so girly. Like, this is a little bit too girly for me, but you know what? It's pretty big. It's like really sheer, like you can kind of see through the material. It's short sleeves and it has a little tie around it. I really don't wear robes, but I might start. It looks kind of ugly on me, but you know what? That's okay. Next thing we have, I think this is the mystery item in the box. This is a No More Baggage eye depuffing gel. I could probably use this right after I cry. My eyes get really puffy and you know. But honestly, I'm kind of excited to try this. It's by Mr. Brandt. Yeah, ooh, it's pretty big. Does it smell good? Ooh, this is like a weird little applicator. Maybe you just kind of are supposed to like do that. I'll probably end up trying that out. The next thing we have is Extraordinary Translucent Powder, which I probably will use because actually, weird, I just ran out of translucent powder, so might have to try that. Why am I having such a hard time opening all these boxes? Ooh, it's really pretty. Stars around the outside. Silver top with a little bow. I think this is really cute, actually. Okay, maybe I'm just sick and I can't smell anything, but I literally cannot smell anything in any of these products. I'm kind of excited to try that because I use translucent powder all the time. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. I can feel it. It's right there. I cannot get myself to sneeze. Okay, next product in the box. This one is OUAI leave-in conditioner. Also ironic, I just ran out of leave-in conditioner as well, so I will be using this for sure. I always put in leave-in conditioner after I shower because I think it makes my hair a lot softer and easy to like comb through. So yeah, it's OUAI hair care, and it's just a spray. Oh, that smells so good. Like, I'm so excited for my hair to smell like that. What the hell? I really am excited. And it's also like a heat protectant spray. And this is originally $26. I can still smell it and it smells so good. Next product is this champagne charcoal scrub and it's exfoliant. It has like a little rose gold topper to it. I just tried to smell the bottom of it. Like, I'm not gonna be able to, okay. So let's open this. I'm gonna take the seal off because I wanna smell what it smells like. Normally I don't use exfoliants on my body. I think it's like a body scrub, maybe a face scrub too, but I think I might try because I have this huge container full of it now. I'm gonna use my teeth. That's kind of gross, but I just got it in my mouth. I literally cannot open this with my nails. I swear to God. I'm gonna try to poke through it instead. Okay. I'm making a mess now because I just decided to do that. I have it all over my hands now. Oh my God. Okay. So yeah, it's very chunky. If that is the right word to describe it, there's probably a more elegant way to describe that, but smells really good. I get scared to try new like skin products because I don't want to break out or like get a rash. Ooh, look at that. So this was originally $24 and it says it's formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxian Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. Next product, I think this kind of goes with the exfoliant scrub actually. It's a daily detox massaging brush. So what I would assume is that you put the body scrub on your body and then you scrub it with this, which is kind of cool because I would have just done it with my hands, honestly. Ooh, it says gentle, mild, and vigorous is colored in, so apparently we're going to be scrubbing our skin vigorously. It smells like nail polish remover in that bag. Okay. Ooh, it's like wooden. There's a little hand holder for your hand. You can just kind of. Ooh, that is vigorous. Wow, I might cut myself on this. You know, there's like some bristles and like some other wooden things on there. Kind of cool. And then that actually was $18. I don't know why that took me so long to like get those words out of my mouth. Now, this is the final item. I had no idea what this was when I opened it without reading the magazine. I literally thought this was like a hamper or something, but I'm just an idiot. This is by the brand Sunny Life, and it is a picnic set, and the original price is $30 motherfucking dollars. And there's a little handle on the side. Super nice material. I never go on picnics, but I might. You know, this box is inspiring me to try new things. Just unzip it. What? That's so weird. There's 2 spoons, 2 forks, 2 knives, and a plate. So what I'm assuming is that you just take this with you and then like pack another bag with like food in it and stuff, but this makes it super easy to like keep your stuff together. I wish I had someone to go on picnics with. Jesus. But yeah, this is really cool, honestly. That was all of the items in the FabFitFun spring box. Yeah, and go get your own. I honestly think these are so fun. Like, I love getting packages in the mail. Like, that is my favorite thing. Especially when you never know what you're gonna get in it. It's always like, ooh, like, what am I gonna get next time? If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe down below. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!